Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Disaronno and their Velvet Cream Liqueur.
Yeah. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you give us a little information and how much you like the bottle?
I do. Look at this beautiful, sexy white bottle. It's all like creamy like that. It looks awesome. There's even got a white topper here. It's sexy. So this is the Disaronno Velvet Cream Liqueur, not to be confused with the Velvet Box, another beautiful store for adults. All right. So this is 17%.
You have to go there.
I had to because it's funny.
But I mean, seriously, this man could sell you a pile of shit. Look at this sexy pile and how it's all shaped in that brown color and the.
We could put some like gold glitter on it. That'd be great. Anyway, so it's 17%. So this does drop down when they add the cream to, because all this is Disaronno and cream added to it, which is 28%. This does drop down to 17%, so 34 proof. This is their first new flavor in 500 years. Which is pretty freaking amazing.
So when did this come out?
I guess last summer this one came out, like
okay, so it's like
July 2020, something like that.
Fairly new.
So fairly new product, exactly.
Okay,
nice.
So yeah, so they said this is best server ice in the summer, and just get some really beautiful marketing, a really pretty lady in a white dress, and you'll probably see her on a very nice thumbnail at some point. All right, let's see what this beautiful cream tastes like.
The legs on that.
That is some creamy bitch. Look at that. Makes my glass all dirty.
Looks like milk.
It really does.
Look like milk.
Does not smell like milk.
Actually, it looks more like coffee creamer because it's
a
little bit of a tint to it.
It does, and it's a little thinner.
Yeah, it smells like the Disaronno cream and vanilla. That's all I smell.
It really does smell like cream and vanilla. So we could use this for coffee creamer.
Yeah, I can see a little bit orange in there, yeah.
A tiny bit. But more like a mandarin.
Yeah.
And
I was
even like
more
those
like a fake orange popsicle type.
Yeah,
orange.
That's what I was thinking. Those creamsicles, those orange
creamsicles.
Yeah.
Sherbet.
The sherbet orange.
Ooh, this would be amazing mixed into some ice cream. Some orange sherbet would be delicious.
Ooh, I'm going to dunk one of his push pops in it.
That's a good idea.
They're orange sherbet push pops.
They are delicious.
Into the velvet cream. You can just push it on in there.
That's right. That's what she said.
Really?
Alrighty.
There is a line that you should draw, and you have already gone past it.
You know how much I enjoy these creamy liqueurs.
Tastes like almonds, vanilla, and cream. Tastes like, same thing. Disaronno with cream. It tastes exactly what they say it tastes like.
This is dangerous.
Oh, this is super dangerous.
This is like Bailey's amped up.
Yeah, if you could just like take this, put this in like, some crushed ice, blend it up in a blender. Oh my gosh, this will make the best freaking cocktail. This is also probably really good with like a pina colada mix. Would be amazing. Yeah. And you're going to be drunk and have a horrible hangover. But you're going to feel great getting there.
It's not overly sweet.
It's not overly sweet.
No, it's really not.
The clinginess of the cream is not bad.
No.
Like there are plenty that are so much worse than this.
Coat your tongue and they
Bailey's,
just don't go away.
Bailey's just coats your tongue and it just lingers forever. This, it does coat your tongue, but it subsides pretty quickly.
Yeah, it's really good.
Surprisingly still there. You can still taste the alcohol, which I really enjoy that you can still taste the alcohol.
Yeah, even at 17%, it's still like that's not too much higher than some wines. You get some California Zinfandels that are at 16.5 anyway, so this is not.
The alcohol is not off-putting on it either. Sometimes you get ones that you get the alcohol and it's just off-putting. And it alters the flavor a little bit. That is not happening here.
No, and if it's not alcohol, add some more Disaronno to it. Problem solved.
Yep. Yeah, pretty much.
I like it. I think this is a great new product. I think it's delicious. Yeah, and the best thing is it's like $30. You can get them in gift packs too. They come with like 2 glasses and in a box for like $30 or less. So it's a good deal.
Might have to pick some of this up just for,
Yeah, and I think without the glasses it's like $25. So if you can find it, big Christmas sets, but they still have around all places.
This could really get you in trouble.
It really could.
Yeah, I could find myself
a really good job at this.
Yeah, they did a good job of blending this together, because this doesn't, even to somebody that really, really is not a liqueur fan, this works.
Yeah,
This works beautifully.
This is really good. I think it got enough to
Add some coffee.
Alter my coffee.
If you
in the
need
morning.
more, just let me know.
Heard that.
Well, did you not hear me? I'm going to alter my coffee in the morning.
Okay, I guess the answer is yes.
Don't watch this one, boss. Just kidding. I only alter my afternoon coffee.
And then it doesn't matter. I'm not really working very hard at that point.
I only have
anyway.
about an hour left of work anyway. This is good.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Really good.
It's Crusader approved.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
By all three, surprisingly
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah. You don't get that a lot in liqueurs. You get
No, you
all
don't.
3 Crusader approved.
Almost never.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah.
All right. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers.
I really like that shit.
You're going to pour more? Oh.
Put this back in there.
Oh, like he's pouring more. Holy shit! That's
No, he's pouring that little bit back in.
the legs in this thing are insane.
Seriously, I think that's just the cream though.
It is.
Oh, I'm sure it is. That's craziness.
It makes a cool design.
It does make a cool design. It'll be a fun video. Which makes the best, creamiest legs? Oh, sounds really fucking dirty.